Hey Shell Hacks, this is Kenley Ruiz, and I am really excited to show you our project that my partner Daniel Garcia and I created. This app that we have created is called IntelliScribe. The main feature of IntelliScribe is to import images, which will then get transcribed into text. So here is the main home page of IntelliScribe. If you go to the side, there is the nav bar on the side. Here you have home and ImageScribe. If you click on ImageScribe, it will direct you to import your files that you decide to import. If you click choose file, you can choose a file that you want to import. Click open. It will now display the photo. Here you have the transcribe and the reset button. If you hit transcribe, it will transcribe the image into text. If you hit reset, it will reset the photo. Here we can choose another image. Choose this one. This image says thank you. If you transcribe it, it will transcribe the image. So let's do a couple more tests. Choose file. Let's try this one. Here you have the image. Take screenshot, share with this app, extract text, copy/share. Hit transcribe. It will transcribe exactly what is on the image, as you can see here. You can now then copy and paste the text if you would like. You could put it into a document if you would like, anything they decide to do with it. Hit reset, reset the photo, choose another image. This is an image from the Shell Hacker guide. You can see the whole list. Hit transcribe, and it will transcribe the whole list of the guide from this image. As you can see here, transcribed every text that is in the image. Here you can then highlight the text. You can copy and paste if you like. Once again,